1. 1907 Chevrolet 4x4 Cheyenne Project Truck and Parts Truck, $4,500, Ridgefield, Washington. A great opportunity for classic truck enthusiasts, this 1907 Chevrolet 4x4 Cheyenne package includes two quarter-ton trucks. The primary truck was a daily driver before being parked 5 to 10 years ago due to a carburetor issue. It runs and can be loaded onto a trailer but needs restoration, showing signs of rust and dings. The second truck is a complete 4x4 parts truck with a 327 engine, though its condition is uncertain due to prolonged storage. Ideal for a full restoration project or parts harvesting. Two. 1977 Chevrolet Silverado Stepside, $4,500, Reedley, California. This 1977 Chevrolet Silverado Stepside is a complete truck, featuring power windows and power door locks. However, it is a project vehicle that currently does not start or run. A great foundation for restoration, this Silverado retains its classic square body styling, a favorite among Chevy truck collectors. With some mechanical work, it could be brought back to life as a stylish classic truck. 3. 1973 Ford 1-ton dump truck, $5,000, Reno, Nevada. A rugged workhorse, this 1973 Ford 1-ton dump truck is powered by a 390 V8 engine and a manual transmission. It has 100,000 miles and remains in good condition with disc brakes, good tires, and intact glass. A rare find for those needing a vintage dump truck, this model offers both utility and classic Ford durability. 4. 1971 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed, $8,000, Turner, Montana. This 1971 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed is a well-preserved classic featuring a 350 V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, 4-speed manual transmission, power brakes, and power steering. With 84,000 miles, it has been a reliable daily driver. The truck also features a new windshield and a solid body, making it an excellent candidate for collectors or classic Chevy enthusiasts. Five. Tata 1977 Chevrolet Dually Crew Cab Square Body, $5,000, Dallas, Texas. Equipped with a powerful 454 big block V8 and an automatic transmission, this 1977 Chevrolet Dually is a rare square body crew cab. Though the engine and transmission run, the gas tank has been removed and cleaned, so the truck will need to be towed. With its strong frame and heavy-duty capabilities, this truck has great restoration potential for those who love classic dually pickups. Next. Number 6. 1972 Chevrolet 3500 Camper Special, $1,600, Powell, Wyoming. An excellent restoration candidate, this 1972 Chevrolet 3500 Camper Special features dual rear tires and the ability to run on propane or gasoline. It has been parked for several years but was running well when last used. With its low miles and solid foundation, this truck is a budget-friendly classic for those looking to restore a vintage heavy-duty Chevy. 1970 GMC 4x4 truck, $6,800, Clayton, Washington. A true classic, this 1970 GMC 4x4 truck is a project vehicle that runs but only moves in reverse. It features a rebuilt 454 V8 engine and transmission with less than 500 miles since the overhaul. Despite sitting for 5 years, it remains a great candidate for restoration. The iconic body style and 4x4 capability make it a sought-after classic for off-road enthusiasts and collectors alike. Eight, 1989 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat. $9,900, Carmel, California. This 1989 Ford F-150 regular cab XLT Lariat is in excellent condition with 117,000 miles and no rust. It recently received a fresh Ford Blue paint job, a new Raptor bedliner, and numerous mechanical upgrades, including a new drive shaft, differential U-joints, radiator hoses, and suspension components. With a clean title and smog certificate, this truck is ready to drive and enjoy. Nine, 1982 Dodge Rampage and 1982 Plymouth Scamp Parts Car, $1,500, Phoenix, Arizona. A rare find, this 1982 Dodge Rampage comes with a 1982 Plymouth Scamp Parts Car. Both vehicles have been sitting for 20 years, but were running when parked. The Dodge Rampage features a 4-speed manual transmission, while the Scamp is automatic. This package is perfect for an enthusiast looking to restore a unique front-wheel drive pickup. Ten, 1987 Ford Bronco 4x4 $5,300, Mojave Valley, Arizona. A classic off-roader, this 1987 Ford Bronco features a 5.0-liter V8 engine, 184,000 miles, and 4-wheel drive. It runs well and has a clean title, making it an affordable project for anyone looking to restore a vintage Bronco. With its full-size body and strong engine, this SUV is ideal for off-road adventures. Adventures. 11. 1988 Dodge Snow Commander 4x4 plow truck, 2005 Morrison, Colorado. A rare factory-equipped 1988 Dodge Snow Commander. This 4x4 snow plow truck has fewer than 100,000 miles but is not currently running. The body is straight, and the truck turns over, though it lacks a battery. With some mechanical work, this Dodge could become a powerful winter workhorse once again. 12. 1989 Dodge Dakota LE 4x4, $6,500, Eagle, Idaho. This 1989 Dodge Dakota LE 4x4 is in excellent mechanical condition, featuring power steering, power brakes, power windows, cruise control, and air conditioning. It has received new brakes, shocks, and tires, and despite some paint wear and dashboard cracking, it runs and drives like new. This well-maintained truck is perfect for a daily driver or light off-roading. 1988 Ford F-150 2WD, $3,500, Drummond's, Tennessee. A solid work or hunting truck, this 1988 Ford F-150 features a durable inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has new tires, rims, and front-end upgrades, including tie rods and steering links. With 195,000 miles, it runs and drives well, making it a reliable and budget-friendly classic truck. Now, 14. 1986 Ford pickup with contractor box. $500, Canby, Oregon. A true budget-friendly project truck, this 1986 Ford pickup features a contractor box with multiple storage compartments and a lumber rack. The truck has a V8 engine with 82,000 miles and a clean title, but it has rust and dents. Despite its wear, it still runs and could be repurposed as a functional work vehicle or restoration project. 15. 1986 Chevrolet pickup long bed, $4,500, Reedley, California. This 1986 Chevrolet long bed pickup is a complete truck that starts and runs, but needs some TLC. With its classic square body design, this Chevy offers a solid foundation for restoration or customization. Ideal for collectors looking for an affordable entry into the world of vintage Chevy pickups.